You know, when we think about what makes us age, our minds usually jump to the obvious stuff, right? Diet, exercise, maybe genetics. But what if I told you that one of the biggest factors is something you're exposed to every single day, and you probably don't even give it a second thought?
It's so frustrating, isn't it? You can do everything right. You eat the clean food, you hit the gym, but you still feel off. Tired, a bit foggy, maybe like you're just aging a little faster than you should. Well, that's probably because you're overlooking a fundamental signal that your body is hardwired to follow.
And no, this isn't about some fancy new supplement or a complicated biohack. It's way more basic than that. It's a silent influence working in the background, shaping your biology day in and day out. So what is it? It all comes down to your body's internal clock.
Okay, let's pull back the curtain on this amazing internal system that really is running the whole show.
You've definitely heard the term circadian rhythm before, but let's just be crystal clear on what it is. Think of it as the master conductor of your body's entire orchestra. It's a 24-hour clock that tells every single cell and organ what it's supposed to be doing and when. It's the ultimate timekeeper. So this whole incredible system is coordinated from this tiny little spot deep inside your brain. You can think of it as the main clock tower. And its one and only job is to look outside, see the primary signal from the environment, which is light, and then send out messages to the rest of the body to get everyone on the same page. And we're not talking about a small job here. This clock controls everything. It dictates when to release hormones like cortisol to get you going in the morning and melatonin to help you wind down for sleep. It runs your metabolism, it manages your energy, it even affects how well you can focus. The main point is, when this clock is in sync, you are a finely tuned machine. But when it's not, well, that's where our modern life creates a huge problem.
And this right here is the heart of the issue. Our ancient biology, which took literally thousands and thousands of years to evolve, is now in a head-on collision with our modern world. Let me just show you what I mean.
Just look at this comparison. It's wild. For pretty much all of human history, our bodies evolved with a really clear, simple signal. Bright, powerful sunlight all day long, followed by almost total darkness at night. Now, look at our modern cycle. We spend our days inside under dim, filtered light, and then we spend our nights bathed in bright, artificial light from all our screens and lamps. We have literally flipped the signal completely upside down.
And this confusion has very real consequences for your biology. That blue light from your phone or your laptop at 10 o'clock at night, it's basically screaming at your brain, hey, it's the middle of the day. This directly slams the brakes on the release of melatonin, which is the key hormone that tells your body, okay, time to shut down and start repairing.
And this isn't just about getting one bad night of sleep. This kind of disruption, day after day, week after week, it builds up. It has this cumulative effect that directly accelerates the aging process itself.
So when your clock is out of whack consistently, the costs just start to add up. Your hormones get all chaotic, you're wired when you should be tired, and you're exhausted when you should be awake. Your metabolism gets sluggish, so it's harder to manage your weight. And maybe most importantly, your body's ability to repair itself at the cellular level overnight is seriously compromised. And of course, you feel it in your head, right, with less focus and more brain fog.
So here's the bottom line. Every single one of those issues, the hormone problems, the metabolic slowdown, the poor repair, these are all the classic hallmarks of aging. And when you stack them all on top of each other day after day, you get a body that is biologically aging way faster than it should be. It's a quiet process for sure, but it's happening every single day that we live out of sync with our environment.
Okay, but here is the really good news. This is not a life sentence. Not at all. You actually have a massive amount of control over this whole process, and fixing it doesn't require anything crazy or extreme.
Honestly, the single most powerful thing you can do is just get outside for 10 or 20 minutes in the morning. That morning sunlight acts like a giant start button for your internal clock. It sets the whole rhythm for the entire day. And then at night, you just do the exact opposite. Dim the lights, get off the screens, and send that clear signal to your brain that the day is winding down. Even simple things like swapping to warmer tone light bulbs can make a world of difference.
So let's kind of zoom out and bring this all together, because this really reframes how we should be thinking about health. It's not just about the what, it's fundamentally about the when. This is such a critical shift in how we see things. I mean, you could be eating the healthiest diet in the world, but if you're eating a huge meal right before you go to sleep, when your digestive system is supposed to be resting, you're actively working against your own biology. Aligning what you do with when your body is actually primed to do it, that is the missing piece of the health puzzle for so many of us.
And this quote just nails it, doesn't it?
If you're feeling exhausted all the time, it's probably not because you're lazy or unmotivated. It's not a personal failure. It's a biological mismatch. Your body is just working way too hard trying to figure out what time it is.
But when you fix that mismatch, oh man, the results are profound. Your sleep actually becomes restorative, so you wake up feeling genuinely refreshed. Your energy is stable all day long, no more of those afternoon crashes. Your hormones fall back into a healthy rhythm, and your body can finally do its critical job of repairing and recovering. This isn't a band-aid, it's a foundational correction.
So, I'll leave you with this one question to think about. Just take an honest look at your daily routine, especially your light habits. From the moment you wake up to when you go to bed. Are you sending your body clear, consistent signals that help it thrive? Or are you sending confusing signals that force it to struggle? The answer to that question might just be the most powerful anti-aging secret you'll ever find.